Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one doesn't really require a whole lot of experience, just 1 year of customer service experience. And don't forget, customer service can be anything where you have served a customer. If you've been in retail doing cashier work or helping people find things around the store, if you've been a server in a restaurant, babysitting, or even if you have worked call center, they are all customer service and can give you that customer service experience. I do always try to find jobs that most people would actually qualify for. But with that being said, the links to all the pages I'm sharing are directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button. Of course, share with all your friends and family. Today's job lead is from the company Shopventory. Now, Shopventory is a parent company. They are doing business apps, Thrive Metrics. Now, they seem to be a new startup type company. They only have 7 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research before giving them any of your personal information. But those 7 people really like this company. They have a perfect 5.0 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a customer care representative. This is remote throughout the United States. Again, Shopventory is doing business as Thrive, and they're helping businesses thrive by offering analytics and optimization software tools to help the businesses make informed decisions. So they're a total business solution that helps business from ordering, receiving, inventory controls, sales reporting, and more. So they offer a software service. Now, this is mostly going to be non-phone. As a Thrive Care customer representative, you're going to be helping customers through email, live chat, and occasionally a phone call, but most of it is email and live chat, so completely non-phone. As you gain a better understanding of Thrive, you'll be encouraged to grow and offer more contributions to the team. Now, even though they are hiring throughout the United States, they want somebody who can work 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you're going to have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. You need to be tech savvy because you're going to help troubleshoot any software or tech issues that they have. You do need to be somebody, though, who's not afraid to make that outbound phone call and hop on the phone or make a short video over Loom and email that video to the customer if they're not understanding the written words when you're trying to help them. So you've got to have great communication skills and be a problem solver. But other than that, the actual requirements of the job is only 1 year of customer service experience. And you do have to have reliable Wi-Fi since you are working remote. Now, that is it. You do get bonus brownie points if you have experience in tech startups or retail, or if you have experience in point of sales systems, e-commerce platforms, or if you have like a bachelor degree or related equivalent work experience, but none of that is required. Now, pay for this position is $45,000 a year, all the way up to $55,000 a year. They also offer standard benefit package that comes with a medical insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.